Hello guys, Best Review for You team is back again with another review on Commission Blueprint 2.0. Firstly, we will look at the introduction, then what you'll discover in this step-by-step video training. Also earning proofs from JVZoo, and the exclusive bonus that I am going to offer you. Introducing, the most effective method to generate massive affiliate commissions on a daily basis by promoting other people's products. Here's what you'll discover in this step-by-step video training. The complete system to making money quickly and easily with affiliate marketing, step by step. How to get started and build a profitable affiliate business by selling other people's products. The time-tested formula used by successful marketers to build a massive affiliate business empire within months. How to identify hot and demand products that will convert like crazy while making you a ton of money at the same time. The fastest and simplest way to sell anything online. This is the secret that most marketers don't want you to know. The secret ingredients you need to add in your affiliate site to ensure you are getting targeted buyers to your offers. How to build up a profitable mailing list that will keep buying whatever you promote to them. Step-by-step video walkthrough of how to set up your email money-making campaigns in a snap. How to make sales every day and take your affiliate business to the next level while building a full-time income. Real live demonstration of how to set up a profitable campaign the right way. And so many more. This is such an amazing offer. How much for all this? Many people that try to figure things out on their own end up wasting a lot of time and never make the kind of money they set out to make. That's because they spin their wheels, follow bad advice, and just don't get the right roadmap to success. This blueprint will prevent that from happening. When you invest in this training today, you get a foolproof plan to online success. When you consider all the unheard secrets you'll be learning inside this blueprint, it would be very easy to put a price tag of $297 or more. But when you grab this today, you won't pay $127 or more. In fact, you won't even have to invest the normal, everyday price of just $97. Today, you can get in at the highly discounted, one-time investment of just $37. To get instant access, all you have to do is click the button below. Get Commission Blueprint 2.0 at a one-time price. Pay just $17 once and use forever. Get instant access now. My awesome results get from JVZoo. Here's how to get access to Commission Blueprint 2.0 training right now. Lastly, these are the bonuses that I have to offer you. These are worth more than $4,000 that I am giving you for free. The only condition is that you have to purchase the product through the link given below in the description, and after the purchase send an email with a screenshot of your purchase on our email, which you will find in description below. Have look at the bonuses. These are not 1 or 2 bonuses or 3 simple bonus, but in total I am offering you 21 bonuses. This definitely will help you if you are a content creator or an affiliate marketer, or even if you run a digital marketing agency. So here is the review from the Best Review for You team. If you liked the video, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to check the description below.